Are you searching for a reliable way to migrate your Outlook OST files directly into Office 365? Welcome to WholeClear OST to Office 365 Converter. You can effortlessly upload offline OST data to the Office 365 cloud environment without any risk of data loss. Key features of OST to Office 365 Migration Tool. Seamless OST to Office 365 conversion. Complete OST file preview before migration. Support for large and selective OST files. Preservation of original folder hierarchy. How to connect OST files to Office 365 Cloud. Step 1. Download and launch the OST to Office 365 Converter on your system. Step 2. Select the Outlook storage file, .ost, as the source and click Next. Step 3. Choose folder mode or file mode, then browse and load OST files. Step 4. Select Export to Office 365 account and click Next. Step 5. Enter your Office 365 account username and password to connect. Step 6. Select an existing folder or create a new one in Office 365 to store the OST files. Step 7. Click Upload Now to begin the migration. The migration process is fast, secure, and preserves all your data integrity. Whether you're a technical expert or a beginner, this tool ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.